In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop-down menu in Shopify just like this, where you can nest multiple different things under one category. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first step to add a drop-down menu in Shopify is you want to navigate to products, click on collections, and the first thing you want to do is you want to think about how you want to organize this. So if we just take a look at our store right now, what we have is we have shop, and then we just have cat collars and dog collars. But what I want to actually do is I want to have one drop down menu for collars, one for toys, and one for brushes. So this is exactly the collections that I'm going to create. So I'm going to click create collection, and I'm going to name this collars. I'm gonna just manually add products here, click save. Then I'm gonna create another collection and I'm gonna call this toys. Once again, manual, save this collection. And then the third one is we are going to call this brushes. The next step is to navigate to online store on the left, click here, and then you wanna go to navigation underneath your online store. Once you've clicked that, you want to navigate to main menu and click on it. So to create a drop-down menu, what you want to do is you want to click add menu item, and then you want to choose here in the link, you want to go to collections, and the first one we are going to choose collars. So I'm going to choose collars and I'm going to add this one. Perfect. Now I'm going to drag and drop collars underneath shop, and then I'm going to slightly move it to the right. So now it's a drop down menu. Perfect. Let's repeat this with two more collections. So we have brushes. I'm going to add this one, and we have toys. So I'm going to choose the collections and we have toys. Perfect. Once you've chosen these, once again, you want to follow the same pattern, drop it underneath shop, toys underneath shop. Now, here comes the interesting thing. How do you get these specific collections, so dog collars and cat collars, underneath these collars? Once again, drag and drop them to the right slightly. Boom. Now we've nested dog collars underneath collars, and the collars are nested underneath shop. We're going to repeat this with cat collars. Perfect. Let's add a couple of more here just so we got this figured out. So we have yellow toys. We're going to add yellow toys underneath toys, and we have red brushes. So we're going to choose red brushes, and we're going to drop red brushes, underneath brushes slightly to the right. So this is our complicated drop down menu here. You can add many more items, but for now, let's just click save. And let's see how it turned out. I'm just going to click on this eye next to online store to view my online store. And as you can see, if we navigate to the top and we hover over shop and we click on it, we have collars. We can expand this. Then we have brushes, expand, and we have toys. So this is how you add a drop-down menu in Shopify. If this was helpful, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching this video.